Have you ever heard someone say, "A little bird told me"? Any idea what that means?
Maybe it means you know a lot about birds.
Your voice sounds like a bird?
It means something like you don't want to say who told you that.
Exactly. You might say, "A little bird told me," to mean that you got information from someone, but you're not going to say who that person is.
Hey, I heard at recess that you got picked to design the new school mascot. Can I interview you for the weekly news show?
Sure. But how'd you find out I got picked to make the design?
They didn't want me to use their name, so let's just say a little bird told me.
We'll get back to this. But first, why do people say, "A little bird told me"? Yeah, why not lemurs? "A little lemur told me." Well, people have been writing about birds sharing special information for quite some time. The playwright William Shakespeare used it in a play first performed in the year 1600. "I hear a bird so sing." Long before that, the Vikings had a story about a prince who slayed a dragon.
Suddenly, I could understand what the birds around me were saying.
Car, you are in danger. Your friend will betray you.
Many believe the first written example of this saying was way back over 2,000 years ago in the Bible, where people were warned not to say bad things about others.
Because us birds will let everyone know what you are saying.
Okay, so people have been writing about birds sharing news for over 2,000 years. But why birds?
Oh, we've been spreading the news for a lot longer than you might think.
It turns out that birds, specifically pigeons, and more specifically messenger pigeons, have long been trained by people to carry written messages attached to their legs for hundreds of miles.
Thanks to an amazing sense of direction, these mighty messengers have been delivering our news for centuries. From World War I,
We sent military updates from the battlefield.
way back to the very first Olympic Games in ancient Greece, almost 3,000 years ago.
Every athlete had a pigeon, and if we won our event, our bird would fly to our hometown to share the good news.
All the way back to ancient Egypt, over 5,000 years ago.
We were one of the first known groups of pigeons to fly messages from place to place, sort of like delivering the mail today.
So it's possible the saying, "A little bird told me," was first inspired by people receiving messages delivered by, you guessed it, little birds.
So, with the school's permission, we are proud to officially reveal Noah's design for the new school mascot,
The Mighty Messenger.